I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done made it to our second appointment of the day, man. Even though I did not get the end results of that FedEx truck because I was in a rush. I was trying to hurry up and get out of there because Nashville traffic is ridiculous. I know it took me literally 30 minutes in traffic to get where I'm at, so I was like, let me get out of here, woo wop the band. But the work looked good. Hopefully I'll put it up off my Instagram and show you. But right now we're doing this Audi right here, S3. I think that's the name of it, but it's a little dirty in the inside. Not really that bad, but we're gonna go ahead and get in here and detail it. Go ahead and shampoo the carpets, clean the seats, but it's not really that bad. So we're gonna go ahead and hit it with that whoop wop bam, hit the doors, do the door jams, clean the seats thoroughly, make sure we clean the cup holders in the console area and things like that. But like I said, it's nothing that we can't handle over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And y'all know we take so much pride in the work we do. So like I say, on that note, when you take pride in what you do, it seems like the job is just a little bit easier. And like I say, we just did a 420 episode for Truth Lounge TV. Just finally put another episode on my kids channel, so go check them out at Young World TV. But yeah, man, finna go ahead and knock out this Audi. I already got the mats out right here. Got my buckets, got my stuff, the all-purpose things like that. And you know, like I said, I love my brushes. So like I said, we just got different brushes, stuff like this. I actually got these brushes right here from Dollar Tree. So these brushes right here actually come in handy. Like I said, let me go ahead and open up a fresh pack for you. So we open up a fresh pack. You know what I mean? Like I said, they got 3 different brushes. They got 2, a wool brush, a steel brush. The gold one a little bit harder than the yellow one, and then than the silver one, and then they got a regular brush that like you can brush your teeth with. But like I said, I buy these brushes because they come in handy. Like I said, you know, to do on cars like this, you know, coming in a spot like this, you know what I mean? Get up in these little cracks and crevices that's all the way over here on the side, you know, it's so small. So yeah, you know, I love these brushes. They come in handy. You already see like what it's doing. So make the job so much easier, man. You know what I mean? The brushes really do. I mean, I know the vacuums suck, but like I say, what these brushes do is help agitate the carpet. And so whatever little debris that's within the carpet, it helps remove it. And then whatever's stuck in the carpet, it helps make it easier to be sucked up with the suction of the vacuum. But you see right there. And then I definitely use them for the sides right here. Get over here on these sides, stuff like this. So, but we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. You see what I'm saying? Like over here, it helps, you know, get in these little small areas right here. So it really just helps. And like I said, I love it. I've been using these brushes for years. And I buy a bunch of them at a time, probably about 10 packs at a time, because sometimes they break a little easier. Like you get to put a little pressure on them, they will snap. But like I say, paying $1 something for 3 brushes, you can't beat that. But they got sturdier ones at Home Depot and things like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We finally got the first car, or the second vehicle, well, the first vehicle we washed, but the second appointment of the day done. Like I said, it's an Audi S3. We got it completely clean. We had to detail the interior, you know, so we actually got in here and got it smelling amazing in here. Got the carpets all shampooed, got the seats all thoroughly clean, things like that. So I know he's definitely gonna be super satisfied with the services. But like I tell y'all all the time, we take so much pride in the work we do over here. So on that note, we always gonna make sure the customer is super satisfied with us. Cause like I said, the customer next door recommended him, and like to let you know, I do so much a good job that she recommended her friend. But we done here. Next stop probably about 10 minutes, less than that here from where I'm at. I'm gonna hop in the vehicle, get to where I need to be, and I'm gonna catch y'all at the next stop. But like always, man, do what you gotta do. Y'all know I'm gonna do what I gotta do, or you do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna catch you at the next one. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done made it to this third appointment, man, doing this Toyota Highlander, man. Right now we're about to work on this interior. So we already got the bucket. We're gonna need the lily brush today because there's a little dog hair in here, so lily brush definitely gonna come in handy. But if you see it, man, you got your dog hair, your typical debris. Seats definitely dirty. You see how that stuff jumping up, so you definitely have to clean these seats, stuff like that. Get in the back, left these seats up, get in the back. But like I say, once again, you see the lily brush doing its job. You know what I mean? Look how easy the lily brush make the job. So like, ain't like it's gonna be a hassle. I know it'd be like, oh man, all that dog hair, but that's if you don't have the proper utensils, yeah, you will complain about the dog hair. But see, I have the proper utensils, so this dog hair, none of this is really an issue at all. I get in here and knock this stuff out so fast. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my job, man. Y'all already know how this go, man. Stick to the script, man. If you're new to the channel, man, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate that. Leave a comment, share, turn on all post notifications if you want to, but I really like if you would. If you could, you should. You know what I mean? But on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Like I say, this weekend, we got a bunch of stuff going on, man. So it's gonna be a popping weekend, man. I'm telling you, starting off Thursday, which is 420, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's finna go down. Which y'all probably won't see this footage till next week, but my bad. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this Toyota Highlander, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We need to finish this next car, which is this Toyota Highlander. We got it completely done in and out. The only thing we haven't done was tie shine the wheels yet, but we're not really worried about that. The rest of the car came out well. If you remember what it looked like, it literally had dog hair everywhere in here, so we got all the dog hair out and things like that. We make sure we wipe down the seats down properly. We make sure we wipe the console, dashboard, doors, and everything properly. Even in the back, I know y'all remember all the dog hair that was all back here, but we got all the dog hair up. So we about to go ahead and head at the next stop, car. And Infinity, it usually don't be that dirty, so we're gonna go ahead and knock that one out too. But like always, man, do what you gotta do. Y'all already know I'm gonna do what I gotta do, so stick to the script. You know what I mean? One love and be peaceful, you know, because there's too much stuff going on in this world, man, I swear. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We didn't finish this fourth car today. This Chevy Tahoe, man. We got the car completely knocked out in and out. Had a little dog hair, stuff like that, but car looks good. Car came out great. So. I get it.
James!
Come on, man. Open. I think the cops
James not here!
Car came out.
Sirius XM? 70s on Santa. Come on, man.
So about to go ahead and park it. Still got 2 more cars to do. And then we finished for the day. But on that note, I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We on the last car before the last car, so we actually got 1 more car to do, which is Mercedes-Benz. Probably about 5-10 minutes from here, but we about to go ahead and hop in the van, get over there, knock it out. It's already 5 o'clock on the dot, but it's a beautiful day. Got the van over here ready to go, but the car knocked out. You see it, wheels look good. Interior of the car looks wonderful. Wiped down the seats and vacuumed everything. So we're about to go ahead and, like I said, head to the next stop, get out of here, and enjoy the rest of our day. But I hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new to the channel, hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. And like always, I'm gonna do what I gotta do to do what you gotta do. And I'm gonna catch you on another one, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We done made it to this last stop of the day. And like I said, we gotta do a Mercedes-Benz. I didn't know what kind of Mercedes-Benz it was, but it is a Mercedes-Benz V8 bi-turbo G-Wagon. So we're gonna go ahead and work on this exterior first, because she said she wanted to take the keys with us. So we're gonna go ahead and knock it out. The interior of the car is really clean, so it'll probably take me about 10 minutes to do the interior. So I'm gonna go ahead and whoop whoop whap, bop bop ba bam it, you know, things of that nature. But like always, y'all already know how we is, man. We dedicated to the process, man. But I love this black. It's a different type of black, that AMG, you know what I mean? But you see it's covered in debris, really. That's about it. That's the only dirt I really see. It's not really that dirty. But we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. And on that note, let's just go ahead and get it, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. Detail world, what it do, man. We didn't finish this last car today, man. We didn't got it all out. Been a hell of a day, man. We did FedEx, and 5 other cars. So we did 6 vehicles a day, man. Whoops. About to go home, edit some videos for the 420 episode for Truth Lounge tomorrow. So you know how that go, man. Check that out tomorrow. Well, you won't hear this video tomorrow, so I'm mad when I'm saying that. But I done knocked out this Mercedes-Benz AMG 363. Car came out well. I don't know what that means, but we got the car clean. About to go ahead and park it. And yeah, call it a day, man. And on that note, like always, do what you gotta do, and we gonna do what we gotta do, man. So stay motivated, stay persistent, stay consistent, stay relentless, and no, like always. One love, love thyself. Gotta love yourself, remember that. Can't love nobody without loving yourself. And on that note, peace. Be lucky the Mercedes-Benz store at the peace. Peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch the TY 38.